Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Technical Things. Now today we're on the Carnival Conquest ship, and it's actually our first official day after being boarded, and we decided to walk around because the ship hasn't already left as yet. So we just want to see what it looks like, take a little orientation of the place, and then we go to the deck to see the ship leaving. Now, if you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, just click the bell. Now, let's go.
Now take elevator. Colin, elevator. But we man bought only stuff so I carry.
Yeah?
The man bought only what name? Only luggage or so going in.
No, that was at the time, yeah.
Oh.
But remember, everyone's moving over now, so.
Ah. Come on, Terry.
I carry out imitate.
Myself.
No. I carry out go on in a dance when they sail away dance competition.
Wait, not now. This. Ah. Yeah. All right.
It's the Wi-Fi, it's the station right over here towards say.
Where the party part? The party part.
Them have somewhere they say. They can't look on the app, you know. What's this selling for? Oh, gift service. It's a different one. This one.
Girls. Sunglass. Alright. Sally, my sunglass. Huh?
There, right?
Yeah.
Come on this way.
Sorry.
Huh? Oh.
So when I go back home,
Just a walk.
you walking?
Just a walk.
stuff pack, right? So come on out with a photo ID if you're over the age of 16, you're sailing sign card, and if you're going on a shore excursion, you must have a physical ticket with you. It'll have a meeting time, a meeting place, right there on the ticket. It's also your proof of purchase as well. So make sure that once you've booked that excursion, you have those tickets. They'll be delivered to your cabin. If they haven't been done so already, it'll be tonight or tomorrow morning that will happen. Now, if it gets all the way to Nassau, Bahamas, and you still don't have your tickets, please make sure to go and see the team. Don't exit the vessel without having them in your hands. Here's what we can't bring off the ship. We're going on an international cruise, people. We're going out there into their own biosecurity laws in the Bahamas. We can't bring open fruits, vegetables, or food of any kind off the ship with you. So please keep in mind, you cannot bring a Ziploc baggie full of croissants and muffins. You cannot bring a burrito that you've wrapped in a napkin and put at the bottom of your bag. I'm just listing off things I saw last week, okay? The thing is, it's gonna be wasteful because you're gonna have to put it in the trash and then no one's gonna be able to eat that food, okay? So there is food out there, there's places to go and eat that you absolutely can do so. And then you can also come back on board and eat here, whatever you wanna do. You can hop on and off the ship as much as you please, but you just cannot bring any of the fruits, vegetables, or plant items off the ship with you. Now that does go for drinks as well. A sealed bottle of water is absolutely fine, but we don't want to be wasteful here on the Carnival Conquest. So if you do bring a Bud Light or a Bloody Mary or a margarita down to the gangway, you'll just drink it, okay? We'll drink that thing until it is dry. You might be wibbling off the ship, but you will drink it, okay? Don't be wasteful. Information about your cruise, but also how to get free booze. Here. The live champagne art auction is just that. Now, if you don't know anything about art, if you've never been to an art auction in your life, that's okay. You're gonna go in with confidence. Confidence is key. You walk into that art auction, you say hello. You grab your first glass of champagne, you say thank you so much. You walk on over to that first piece of artwork. Ah, colorful. Pop it down. Find somebody else. Grab another. Thank you so much. Walk on over to your next one. Oh, ow. They definitely used a brush with this one. By the end of it, you're going to be so sloshed, okay? It is a win-win situation for you and the art auctioneer. Now, to help you get ready for the live champagne art auction, they put a little contract to give away, and that is we want you tonight and tomorrow is 9 and 8 p.m. on Nassau morning. Is longer than any guest services starting about this.
That's okay. She has to take excursions.
I got Nassau, you know. Where do you feel over figure? How we know? We know.
Afternoon, Carnival Conquest family. This announcement is for Jamea Blakely, and Natasia people. Contact services.
Fantasia people. Can I name that?
Extension 7777. Thank you.
Go though.
You open?
Oh, you're not. I think I'll
Can
check.
we go up to the floor 11?
The one where we're at the balcony?
No, we stop at 9. No, you go up to 11? Because the fitness is at 11. They said the fitness is at 11. Oh. I just want to see where it is. Okay. No, way up 11. We think at 9. Cross over this one.
I think I can show it. Just a look.
Oh, you want the other side, right? One open? Oh, yes.
Oh, sorry. Going up? Up. Thank you. Sorry. Sorry. Ooh.
Oh, you went up 11. Up. Pay attention, should be next.
That's 9.
7.
11. Yes.
All right.
Go enjoy.
No, not this way.
We have a spot door right now. Also, we have the free massage test here going on right now. Let's do the tour.
Oh no, wait.
Free massage? Yes, you're on the shoulder and then on your arm.
You
For
are.
all three of us? Yes, absolutely. After this passport.
Ah, okay.
And it's free? It's a free massage gesture. It's a teaser for you. Okay?
Only if you close your eyes, we will charge you.
Alright, this is a spa raffle which will be at 5 p.m. in the gym. Alright? Please come closer. Taffy is going to take care of you. Go to the spa door, okay? This cruise you have your spa more safe door, okay? If you choose 3 treatments at once.
It's Nigerian.
No, in case you. Okay, so right here, these are the treatments that we offer in the spa. Like she was saying, the spa more save more. If you book more than one treatment, you get 10% off, 20% off, and 10% off your third one. Okay. All right. So hold on to this. Whatever you're interested in, you can just write it down there. Then we'll make a deal for you. Okay. All right. Come this way.
It's just a tour.
Hey, welcome. Welcome to the Carnival Salon. So my name is Divan from South Africa, and I'm one of your hairstylists, teeth whitening specialists and barbers alongside Bryony on board. And what we do here, we do the Pro Collagen Groom and Shave. It's a double close shave for the gents with hot and cold towels, and you get a scalp massage and a facial massage with Elemis products. Also a hand and arm massage, very relaxing, 55 minutes for this. So this treatment is $149 usually. We've got it on offer today for $129. We also do hairstyling, colors, cuts and blow dries on that side. So tomorrow's formal evening, if you want to come in for a hairstyle, we've got something called the red carpet blowout. So you come for a hair wash, scalp massage and Kerry Star's hair treatment, and then we style your hair curly, wavy and straight. This treatment is $99. We've got it on offer for $79 today. And the last thing we have is the Keratin Express blowout. You know the keratin treatment. Beautiful treatment, takes the frizz out of the hair for up to 8 weeks. So this treatment is usually $249. For full, we've got it today for $149. So it's $100 off. Beautiful treatment. Any questions? No. Are you going to dress up for formal evenings tomorrow?
I think so.
Yes. You're going to come for a hairstyle? Yeah. Oh, that's the only thing we don't do on the show. Yeah. But I'm sure if you can, because I know Cassandra, the lady from the nails, she's very good with makeup as well, so you can maybe ask her. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yes.
She said you did it. There, we also have got a sauna and a steam room, okay? It's complimentary with the from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Do you have to book or you do? No, you can.
Alright, myself. Ah, this is how the gym is.
From 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. every day. So with the gym, it's complimentary to everybody, but we also have our fitness trainers who are here and they do seminars, they do classes as well. All right. Zimbabwe As you can see, we do cycling, we do yoga, we do boot camp. This is a package for like, or if you want to do all the classes together, okay? All right. And where is it? Okay, come with me. So it's all right. This is our footprint analysis. Have you ever wore arch supporters in your shoes? Do you wear those? Mm-hmm. Okay, so this also.
No, but
okay,
I'm a
there
work
we go.
shoe.
Go ahead.
Okay, so this is Tim with me, one of our fitness trainer, and these are called Good Fit. Okay, so if you're suffering from knee pain, back pain, or just the posture, you want to correct your posture, this is the right space to come. And what he will do, he will take a footprint of your what? Of your foot, and then after that you analyze it together, then he will tell you how and what you can do to help yourself out. Okay, do you have any questions or do you want to try it? It's for free. And what are the opening hours for this?
For this?
Yeah.
Any day.
Oh.
Anytime. You can do it anytime.
Okay.
Yes.
Embark, yeah.
Okay. So whenever you want to do it, you can always come, okay?
Yeah.
All right, let's go explore more in the gym. All right, so this is our gym. Here
Wow.
Carrie, yeah, in a minefield.
and this is the front of the ship as well. So
Oh, this is the front of the ship?
Yes.
Oh.
You're working out and you're looking at.
Carrie.
Tomorrow you're not going to get carried in your room.
Well, good.
All right, so
I don't know.
I'm going to introduce you to our friends.
I'm a little overwhelmed.
Yep. Yeah.
Please go inside. Our beautiful lady will tell us more about it. You are welcome.
How are you? Good, good. Welcome, welcome, welcome.
Hello.
To me. You think I'm beautiful?
Yes, you are. Yes, of course you are.
Thank you, darling. For anyone who would like to boost up their bodies or anyone who would like to see beautiful results onto their bodies. So we're going to be boosting up your metabolism, boosting up your energy levels. This is going to be amazing as an anti-cellulite treatment. This is also going to benefit you when it comes to fluid retention as well. So with this treatment, we're going to be targeting areas such as your arms, your stomach, your thighs, your glutes, and your back to give you beautiful results, because we're going to be introducing a red algae solution. What it does is it helps to break down acid toxins that build up in our system. Has any of you ever used a TENS unit before?
But at the gym is open from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. I don't know if that's right.
Yeah.
So it's 4 hours?
No, 6 a.m. until 10 p.m.
Oh,
It's
okay.
wrong on the thing.
Okay.
Oh,
It says 6 p.m. to 10 p.m.
oh, okay. Okay, I'll
Yeah.
check that.
Yeah.
All right.
We
this
just
is
wanted
the
to make
other
sure.
side. This is the men's locker room. Here is your sauna and your steam room. Remember, we saw it on the ladies' side.
What's that is what?
Sauna.
What's that?
Sauna,
It's a heating
Oh,
treatment.
like steam bath.
Yes, there's a steam room, and that one is
That's
the
the
sauna.
steam room, and then
That
the
is
sauna is dry
dry.
heat. Yeah.
And this one is
Oh.
wet.
Oh. I see.
That one is like Cayman.
Yeah. Humid.
Uh,
Yeah. And the next one is like Arizona
yes, here. Good.
or Phoenix. Yeah.
Oh, let's go next. You're going to meet our buyers.
We'll talk. Yeah, no problem. That's all right.
Okay, you can come inside. Come
Yeah.
inside.
But, yeah, man.
Come inside. Have you ever had a facial on board before?
A facial?
A facial.
On board. On board.
Oh, no, not on board.
Not on board. Okay, so here on board we specialize on biotech facials, okay? With the biotech facials, they come in different types of facials. Go inside.
Oh.
This is a therapist. Hi.
you last in the massage test here. What you want to get, right?
Pardon?
Sit on the chair.
Sit on the
You
chair.
never sit on the chairs. You can sit on the same room.
Same room.
Oh. Come to the front of the class bit because you.
Have you one that
Whoa.
deep tissue
Oh, wow.
massage
What's up?
before?
Yes. Yes.
What about the bamboo?
No.
All right. So the bamboo is 5 times deeper than the deep tissue massage. When I That's how you are going to feel it if you choose bamboo massage. Okay. So it's a combination with the deep tissue massage together. All right. If we just use the bamboo, so you may feel a bit slower.
other side,
By
yeah.
rolling it, kneading it again. So if you're the person who like a relaxation, you can choose this to massage. Okay. That's how you're.
Is it nice?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
It is nice, right?
Mm-hmm.
It will be direct on your skin with some oils. So work like them all over your body.
Yeah, not computer, but I use computer to work.
That's how you're back hair, right? Using your hands a lot. So this is a part of a spa, more safe, more asphalt. Also,
Your head, or there are punching strings facing outward, close the strap around your back, and engage
Oh, yes,
the
that way.
Adjust to a snug fit by pulling the
So
free
I
end of
hope
the
you
strap
enjoyed watching
and
this
secure at
video
the top.
because we have
Each
come to the
strap
end
has
of
a
it.
whistle and a
Well,
lock.
So if you do, you can leave a comment, and if you
All
don't, you can
families
also
coming
leave
with
a
infants weighing less than
comment. So on behalf of
33
the
pounds, that is
Technical
15
team, this
kilograms,
is
and
Duke,
require
and I'm
additional
saying
instructions on how to build
peace
an infant
out.
check-in.